Today, we're going to talk about how data analytics are essential to optimize your marketing efforts as it helps you to make informed decisions that drive results and improve your ROI. Welcome back to another episode of the Exhibitor Marketing Insider podcast. I'm your host, Abdul Altaf. And today, we've got an exciting topic for you, using data for better events. And during this episode, we'll also give you a powerhouse of resources to help you become a more strategic exhibition marketer with tools to change your marketing game. Stay tuned. You're listening to the Exhibitor Marketing Insider podcast, the ultimate guide for high-achieving businesses aiming to scale their event profits. If your business is in the seven-figure club, prepare to discover groundbreaking tactics to boost your exhibition success. So, everyone that works in marketing knows how crucial it is to track your marketing initiatives through the use of data. Because if your systems or processes are not data-driven, then you have a very critical disconnect with your audience. So, let me actually start with understanding your audience. Analytics can give you a backstage pass to your audience's preferences, behaviors, and engagement patterns. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what they want and how they want it. And I believe that most of you are already using tools like Google Trends, SparkToro, AnswerThePublic.com. These are, of course, very generic tools, but when used properly, they can help you track down the exact type of customer you're looking for, competitors and other players in your industry. For example, to create meaningful LinkedIn content, I use SparkToro. It's such a powerful tool that you can understand questions like, is anyone in my target audience actually using these hashtags? Who do people follow that use these hashtags? And should we be following and engaging with them as well? By answering these questions and more, me and my social team, we are then able to rebuild our list of hashtags for our B2C and B2B audiences, as well as discover new influencers to follow on Twitter. Now, of course, there are other internal tools which we use on a regular basis to audit our own channels. But the catch here is, how do you use this data? But before actually using any of these tools, you should be looking at your website analytics. Your website is like your events online booth, right? Analytics can show you which pages are the most visited ones and which ones need a bit of a makeover. It's all about creating an online experience that keeps your audience engaged and glued to the screen. Among the tools I would suggest is for you to use Google Analytics 4, Hotjar, and Looker. This last one is basically a Google dashboard to analyze your marketing efficiency. It will tell you how much is spent in ads across the board and its return. For me, the more tools you have available that will help read your user behavior, the better. If you'd like to get more from your website, but you don't know if there is a tool for that, just drop me a message on Instagram at exhibitor.insider, and I will get back to you. Let's talk now about email analytics. Open rates, click-through rates, they're not just numbers. They're insights in what captures your audience's attention. Why not using that intel to craft emails that are impossible to ignore? If you're using a good email marketing platform like ActiveCampaigns, Moosand, or any other like MailChimp, then I strongly advise you to take the training that these platforms provide, or just read their tutorials carefully in order for you to understand how each feature works. Well, analytics are numbers that talk to you directly. A number has always a story to tell. So it's all about turning numbers into actionable insights. And it's not just about the data itself. It's about what you do with it. So, my advice is grab that data, harness its power, and watch your event success soar. The next most important measurement tool is your social media analytics. And it's not just about the number of likes and shares, it's about what those numbers are telling you. It's about how you dive into the metrics, how you interpret the demographics, and how you adjust your strategy accordingly. It's like having a tailor-made suit just for your audience. For social media, of course, you can use Meta's or Facebook's own analytic tools, like the Business Suite tool, but there are more powerful tools to help you understand your metrics. I'm talking about the big guy software tools like HubSpot, Social Pilot, FanPage Karma, among many other tools. I mean, I won't go into too much detail because each company has their own systems and they all use it differently. So, the key thing is how you produce a reporting that makes sense for your business. So, that's a wrap for today's episode, guys. I hope you're feeling pumped up and ready to conquer the data analytics game. Hit subscribe, share the love, and stay tuned for more strategic gems in the episodes to come. Don't forget to follow the Exhibitor Marketing Insider LinkedIn page and follow me on Instagram on @exhibitor.insider. Thank you and see you next time.